Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1. Ford Deluxe. 1938 year of issue. Ford Deluxe two-door sedan. No title. Not running. Motor is in it, front seat, steering column, etc. Has a banjo steering wheel. Some rust out starting, but not a bad car. Number 2. Mercury Monteray. 1954 year of issue. Sat for years in barn V8. Auto had started trans-worked needs, lots of welding packthese, done lower pack panels, a screwed on bottom for now. OK into your shipping, Avali. Number 3. Chevrolet Sedan delivery. 1946 year of issue. 46 Chevy Sedan delivery. No title, not running. Nice looking body. But has major floor rust in it. Body has some rust out. Where the left rear fender attaches. Neat street rod project. $3,600. Number 4. Ford Sedan. 1941 year of issue. $1,941 FORD. 2D, OO, RSA, DA, NP, ROJE, CT. LA, ANTITAEL. ET, E2. Number 5. Chevrolet pickup. 1971 year of issue. '71 Chevrolet 1/2-ton K10 four-wheel drive. Clear title. 350 runs good. Automatic trans is bad. Leaks fluid severely. Will need typical lower patch panels and rockers. Good project truck. $3,800. Number 6. Chevrolet station wagon. 1960 year of issue. 60 Chevrolet Brookwood station wagon. Clear title. It is a 348 car. but no motor or transmission. Nice straight body with minimal rust out. Floors do have some rust out that will need repairing. Has a set of 4 wide wagon wheels. With newer G14 tires on them. Very fixable car. $3,800. Number 7, Ford Mustang. 1965 year of issue. 65 Mustang convertible. NOT ITLA. Sold with a bill of sale only. 289 B-Bull 3-speed manual. Not running. Very rusty project car. But mostly there. No rear seat. I will have it rolling on tires for you. $3,500. Number 8, Zimmer Golden Spirit. 1979 year of issue. You are looking at a 1979 Archer/Zimmer Touring convertible project car. It came from Georgia and has a current Georgia registration, calling it a 1979 Fiat Archer. This car was styled to look like a 30s model luxury convertible vehicle. It is very similar to Zimmer's, Kleinitz Johnson's, Gatsby's, and several other very unusual custom cars. This is Roller. There is no engine or transmission in the car. It is sitting on a custom Lincoln frame that used a 1979 Fiat 2000 body shell as the main body tub. When finished, cars similar to this can fetch as much as $50,000, $60,000 or $70,000. It comes with a current Georgia registration, calling it a 1979 Fiat Archer. I actually have 2 of these cars. I feel that my price of $3,500 RED UCEDDOWNFROM $4,500 is very realistic for a vehicle like this one, with the potential that this vehicle has. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot